Quick overview: Sumvov wireless headphones over ear, Bluetooth headphones 5.0 with mic, quick charge, 30 hours playtime, deep bass, comfortable protein earpads, hi-fi stereo foldable headset. For cell phone, TV, PC. Experience a refined style and sound of Sumvov 601. Sumvov 601 Bluetooth headphones are classically designed, crafted from high-quality materials including high-grade leather and stainless steel head-mounted axle. And the sound? Latest Bluetooth 5.0 connection technology and powerful 1.57 drivers ensure continuous and excellent sound quality. Quick charging: AI day play. 2.5 hours charge supports all day up to 30 hours of playtime. Or a short 10-min charge supports 3 hours of playtime. Bluetooth V 5.0. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensure high-speed and non-destructive sound transmission, so you can experience music the way it was meant to be heard. Enjoying best traveling and music without cables so you can move freely. Still, the Sumvov 601 wireless headphone can also be used with the attached cable. Love the bass? Sumvov Bluetooth headphones comes with a deep bass button on top of the original sound to offer strong and clear bass effect. That's perfect for EDM, hip-hop and other music. Push the bass button and start to feeling it.